What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4. Still under factory warranty, sporting a billet silver exterior and a black leather interior. With 8,173 miles, a one-owner clean Carfax with no accidents, a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, park view rear backup camera, push-button start, remote start system, remote proximity keyless entry, ready alert braking, rain brake support, an 8.4-inch display with Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, and a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with heated and ventilated front seats, and much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4.